Hi guys, this is Deep Jay. Today is the first day of the Latpanchar birding trip for 2019. We started our birding at around 2:30 p.m. After just after lunch, and at Latpanchar there is a very common place for every birders called there is the place called the nursery area where you will get the Rufous snake hornbill. Usually there is a big tree. They used to come the all the hornbill feeding purpose. So we was there. After get down from the card, we take a few moments for preparing our camera setups, and then we start walk down towards the valley near the nursery area. Here we found mostly the great barbet and one rufous snake hornbill. Actually, is a single female, single female only, and we also saw a spider hunter and. As usual, with me, with my fellow photographer and popular book writer, Mr. Sanjeev Das was reviewing his image after he got some decent image of that single female. And we saw a hornbill over there, and which is a single female probably, and so we found that one female hornbill is there, and that is also adult. So and at the same time, our birding guide, Mr. Sabir Subba, he told us this is isolated female, and there is another one. There is that means there are more total two isolated female is there, those who don't have the pairs, and as information from him, he told me only one couple, like one male and one female present and around this Latpanchar area till that time.